Can't find saved pictures and videos from WhatsApp on your iPhone? This can happen if media isn't downloading properly or isn't being saved to your gallery. In this video, I'm going to show you how to locate saved pictures and videos from WhatsApp on your iPhone. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Before doing anything else, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and cellular data. Try to turn on the airplane mode and after 10 seconds, turn it off again. Now follow these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Allow WhatsApp photo access. First, open up the Settings app. Now scroll down to the bottom. Tap Apps. After that, find the WhatsApp app. Tap on it. Now tap Photos. Now make sure to select Full Access. Solution 2. Enable Save to Photos. Open up the WhatsApp. Then tap on the settings icon from the below. Now tap Chats. Here you will see the option called Save to Photos. Simply toggle it on. Solution 3. Change Auto Download Settings. Go to the WhatsApp app again. Next tap the settings icon below. After that, tap Storage and Data. Now scroll down to the bottom. Here you will find Media Auto Download section. Under this section, tap on Photos. Select Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data. In this way, change all the media download settings to Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data. Now go to your Photos app. Find the saved picture or video. If you don't find the media here, scroll down a little bit. Tap on Recently Saved. Here you'll find the saved media for sure. That's it. This is how you can locate saved pictures and videos from WhatsApp on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.